Cut out. I'm gonna put these eggs up. I got the fresh hay all nice and tidied up for them. Got the rest of that hay shoveled over the fence and the compost. Now I gotta wait for somebody to come help me put this up because I got all the chickens right here. So yeah, got that going. Gotta get these eggs up. Gotta put the hay up. Gotta figure out this situation. I don't even think we really need a fence for them anymore since we let them out in the yard. But now I'm starting to think this fence is more for my safety, so I can get in here and work without them being in here. And mainly Cornflakes, he don't really understand all the work I do in here, but it has to get done. This camera really makes it look crappy. It's all smooth, it's just kind of stained. Probably get a load of some dirt and throw down some grass seed in here for him. That flood really messed stuff up. Gotta top off their feed again and change that water. I'm tired. Time to take a break. Well, I got the hay put up, but now I gotta give them some more feed, but they're busy chasing me. What are you chasing me for? They're crazy. Chicky. Be right back, y'all. I had to improvise something. Found a bucket. I get all these eggs safely in the house without attracting too much attention of that singing dinosaur over there. Oh, nice look. Don't see any eggs under there. Get this situated in there. There you go, babies. Alright. I reckon we can let them back in now. Cheers, y'all. Say bye, Chicky.